Welcome back to AM Profit Pursuit, the place where your journey towards financial freedom begins. Today we will dive into the fundamental of Medicure. But before going to discuss anything, let's see the context of this video. First, we will see the company overview. Then live chart. I will take you into the live chart. After that, we will see revenue, then ROCE and ROE ratio and shareholding patterns, and after that shareholding returns has increased or decreased. Obviously it is very important point. And then I will show you the peer comparison to another companies of this sector. Then conclusion. Now, Medicure Limited is an India-based manufacturer and exporter of medical device. Actually, this company export plastic medical disposable or surgical device. Right. This is medical device company, and obviously medical device company overview. First, infusion therapy. They are actually going to manufacture, or actually this company manufacture infusion therapy, oncology and anesthesia, respiratory care, urology, gastroenterology, blood management and collection device, surgery and wound drainage device, and dialysis device, high quality renal care device, central venous access catheter, and veterinary medical device. All of these medicals are manufactured in this company, under this company, right? So here in this chart you will see the this is the cardiology actually, and transfusion systems. Actually this type of all of this urology, this for this they are going to manufacture, they are actually manufacture urology device, all of these device, right? Here this product wise sale, I will show you the product wise sale. Infusion therapy, core driver of revenue 70, actually 67%, and blood transfusion 10%, renal 7%, and other 16%. They sales. Global and domestic distribution network, global presence, product supplies almost or approx 100 plus countries, Europe, Africa, America, Australia and Asia, supported by a strong network of 250 distributors worldwide. And in India, distribution almost 6,500 private and government hospital and nursing homes, extensive reach across the healthcare sector. Fundraising initiative, actually this sector on 8 March 2024 has increased 800 crore purpose to be raised in one or more tranches, raising of debts, etc. This company have 12 specialties and 12 manufacturing plants across 4 countries, 200 medical devices, 400 sales association, all of this. Blood bank device, dialysis device, pathology, cath lab, and etc. I have already told you in previous slide, and show you vascular access. All these device, this company are making. Infusion therapy, oncology. This is the picture of oncology, dialysis device and transfusion device, diagnostics device. Here in this slide you can see. And this 12, this is the picture of 12 plants of Medicure. Actually this is the Faridabad. In Faridabad, second one is Jaipur, and one is Italy and Egypt and so on, and also in China, right? And 350 plus molding Chinese, and 1500 plus molds and diets, 200 automatic assembly machines, and 100 plus robust employees in manufacturing process, you can see. And in economic times, best healthcare brands the Medicure has achieved in 2024. Export excellence award also achieved, right? And revenue, this is the 70% come from international and 30% from India, right? Now this is the revenue data, EBITDA data, PBT data, and PAT data. Obviously you can see, if you have no idea about the data, then you can see, or you can easily understand through this graph that the revenue data has increased. So this is the financial data 2022, and this is 2023 and 2024. Obviously all the in this image you can see revenue data has increased, EBITDA data also increased, PBT also increased, and PAT also increased. PAT means profit after tax. After paying tax, this is the profit. Also this is increasing day by day, right? So obviously it is a good sign of this company, right? Here obviously financial performance comparison has shown to you, and this is the ratio of ROC. This is also has increased, and ROE also has increased. Now I will show you this promoter data in 30th June 2023 to 30th June 2024. Obviously promoter has increased. If in any company, first of all we will see promoter data has increased or not. If you see that promoter data has increased, then obviously you have to you should understand, you will understand that promoters has interest, shows interest in their company, then obviously this company has so much potential. Actually institutional investor obviously slightly decreased, but private corporate bodies drastic changes. Indian public obviously increased, right? So this is the data. And shareholding returns, obviously shareholding returns, the stock has delivered a return of 109% over the last 3 years, right? Consistent success maximize returns and driving growth. Net sales highest rupees 384 crores, right? This is the pair comparison. Actually all these companies are under this healthcare sector, right? The healthcare sector's company, and here you can see the P ratio of all this company. Apollo Hospital 86, Max Healthcare 90, and Fortis Healthcare 72, Polymedicure 94. So overall you can see obviously the Polymedicure has increased, has maximum P ratio, then it is large, right? Now see, this is the market cap 28,115 crore, and P ratio is 95. But industry P, what is the industry P? Obviously 73. This is if any company has the industry ratio, has P ratio is lower than industry ratio, then it is considered as a good company. But here you can see this company is a small cap company, therefore this is we can consider it as a progressive company, right? So this is the end. Obviously you can also see here debt to equity also less, so it is a good sign of this company, right? Now in conclusion, we can see the annual revenue is positive, quarterly revenue positive, annual net profit also positive, quarterly net profit also positive, stock price positive, price to earn ratio positive, debt to equity ratio positive, return to equity ratio positive. So here you can see that all the data is showing their positivity in this company, right? Promoter pledge also positive. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EM Profit Pursuit for more in-depth stock analysis and investments. Let me know your thoughts in comments. Do you think this company is worth for investing? I will see you next video, where we will uncover or discuss more opportunities to grow your wealth. Thanks for watching.